Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. Make a right click at the start button, then you have to select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Then in the search bar, type here Roblox. Make a right click on it, then you have to select End Task. Now once done, simply close out of here and then try to launch the Roblox game afterwards. For the next method in the Windows search bar, you need to type here ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here you need to look for your connection. You could be connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. So what you can do, simply make a right click. Then you have to select Properties. Now here in the Properties window, you need to click on the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Click on Properties. Now this new window will appear and you have this option, use the following DNS server addresses. So click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then simply close this windows. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then type here this command. So first command is NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command IP config space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Type exit. Hit enter. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the app. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. And you'll find Roblox from here. Click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. And once uninstalled, then we need to reinstall it. So simply open any browser that you have on your Windows. It could be Edge, so just simply search for that here. Or it could be Chrome. Now in the search bar, you need to type in here roblox.com/download. It's roblox.com/download and you have to hit enter. Now you'll find this button, download Windows app. Simply click on that. And here you'll find the installer file being downloaded. Click on that and then close the browser. And this will reinstall the application for you. So what you can do is that after the application has been reinstalled, then you can just simply sign in into your account and then enjoy or continue enjoying the Roblox game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.